Good morning, this is your daily outlook for Monday, October 3rd. The euro continued its downward path after depreciating against all its major counterparts on Friday. Greece approved a new austerity package, but it failed to ease fears for a Greek default. Versus the dollar, the single currency dipped to an 8-month low at 133.13 from 136.89. Against the Japanese yen, the euro fell at 102.42 from 104.33 on heightened risk aversion in the market, and the pair is now trading at around 102.60. Against the sterling, the single currency dipped to 0.8562 from 0.8709. The US dollar initially appreciated but presented a more diverse picture thereafter. Against the Swiss franc, it gapped through 0.91 from 0.9080 to 0.9109 and is now trading sideways looking for direction. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar opened at 77.08, reached 77.26 and edged as low as 76.95 before returning to its opening levels. The sterling is the biggest loser against the dollar, dropping to 154.90 from 156.65. Focus now turns to the US ISM manufacturing expected later today. The Australian dollar initially appreciated after the US dollar opening at 0.9661, unsuccessfully attempting to pierce through 0.97, only to go down to 0.9591. It is now trading at around 0.9630. Australian dollar is losing against the Canadian dollar, reaching a low of 100.88 and is now trading at 10110. Looking at commodities now, oil prices exhibited small losses, opening at 78.35 and then going down to $77.73. Gold opened at $1,623.38, but it soon climbed to $1,635.93 and is now trading at around $1,648.55. Silver appreciated as well, opening at $29.92, recording a high of $30.76 and is now concentrated at around $30.50. Let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro dollar pivot point is at 134.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 134. The dollar yen pivot point is at 76.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 76.75. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9760 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9760. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 156 with a preference to enter into short positions at 155.90. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 103.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.60. Now looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 79.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 79.70. The gold pivot point is at 1645 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1645. And the silver pivot point is at 31.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 31.40. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. And on today's calendar, we have the US ISM manufacturing PMI in September forecast to fall to 50.5. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative on Friday with the SP 500 down 2.50% and the Dow was down 2.16%. European bourses were also negative with the FTSE trading down 1.32%, the DAX was down 2.44% and the CAC was down 1.51%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.78% and the Hang Seng was down 4.62%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.